Smell that fresh country air. Hello, we're the Kellys.
I'm the caretaker.
Hey Dad, look what I found.
It's videotape.
It's said to be a magical portal to the land of fairy.
Puka escaped from this video into the real world and ate all our treats. He doesn't mean any harm.
If we catch the puka and make it watch the video it escaped from, maybe it'll get sucked back into the video.
You mean we could send him home? You killed the Puka! Did you and Dad know that we're not actually real people and we're just made-up characters that escaped from an old 80s sitcom? I don't belong here. None of us do.
Because you're an abomination against the natural order. The team! They're being sucked back in!
Can we go home now?
Puka, is that you? What's going on? Save me.
Wake up, Kevin. We're here.
Puka.
You all right, buddy?
I had another dream about him.
The Puka.
Yeah, he's trapped in the fictional world and needs me to help him.
I love that was just a dream. I know you feel bad about what happened, but it wasn't your fault.
I know, but I still think we can save him. If we can find a copy of the Puka show this weekend, we can use it to open the portal and bring him back to this world. I'm sure of it.
Can we please just forget about that horrible chapter in our lives and move on?
You're supposed to be relaxing, aren't you? What could be more relaxing than a charming holiday at this beautiful old castle? We're going to have a laugh. We're going to have all the laughs.